Hello friends, today I will discuss about importance of CT polarity and CT star point correction in case of transformer differential protection system. Here the diagram shows the connection for differential relay, that is MICOM P642. Here power transformer rating is 50 MVA 132 by 33 kV. HV side is Y connected or star connected and LV side is delta connected, and LV side phase shift to the from the HV side, that is 30-degree lag. Here the CT in the HV side are connected, P1 are connected to the bus side, that is 132 kV bus, and P2 are connected towards the transformer. Similarly, in the HV side, P1 of all the CTs, red, yellow, blue, are connected towards the bus side, that is 33 kV bus, and P2 is connected towards the transformer side. Similarly, in the secondary side, all the S1 are taken to the relay terminal. For HV side CTs, red phase are taken to the C24 terminal, and for yellow phase S1 are taken to the C26 terminal of MICOM P642, and blue phase for S1 is taken to the C28 terminal of the MICOM P642, and C23, C25 and C27 are sorted together, and neutral is formed and taken back to the all the S2 terminal of the CTJB of red phase, yellow phase and blue phase as shown in this figure. Here star connection is made, that is all the S2 are connected to form the star formation and made to the towards the direction of the transformer, that is the protective object. Similarly, for LV side, P1 are taken to the bus side, and in the secondary side all the S1 are taken. For red phase C18 terminal, for yellow phase C20 terminal, or for blue phase C22 terminal, and C17, C19 and C21 terminal are sorted together to form the neutral of the CTs and taken back to the S2 terminal of the CTJB of red, yellow, blue phase respectively. In primary side, CT should be connected with proper polarity, that is P1 should be connected in the bus side for HV and LV side CTs. Similarly, in the secondary side, S1 should be connected to the C24, C26 and C28 for HV side for proper polarity of the relay. Similarly, in the LV side, P1 should be connected in the bus side, and S1 should be connected to the C18 for red phase, C20 for yellow phase and C22 for blue phase for proper polarity of the differential relay. During normal operation of the transformer, current flows from the 132 kV bus towards the transformer, that is in the primary side current flows from the direction from P1 to P2, and the secondary side current will flow from S2 to S1 due to transformer action. Therefore, current will flow from C24 to C23 and back to the S2 terminal as shown in this diagram. Similarly, for LV side, current will flow from the delta side towards the 33 kV bus, that is from P2 to P1. Similarly, in the secondary side, current will flow from S1 to S2 direction, and therefore in the relay for red phase, current will flow from C17 to C18 terminal of the relay. Therefore, you can see the direction of the current for HV side is from C24 to C23, and for LV side is C17 to C18, that is the direction of the current is opposite in nature. The phase shift due to transformer action is nullified due to setting of the differential relay, and hence the ID is the differential current is the vector sum of the percentage per unit quantity of I1 and I2. Hence, since both the current are reverse in direction, the vector sum quantity, that is ID, is 0. For 50% load, the primary current, secondary current, relay seen by the secondary current will be 0.5 per unit from the direction C24 to C23. For LV side, for 50% full load current, it will be towards the direction from C17 to C18. The magnitude of the current is same but opposite in direction, therefore the ID will be 0 and I bias will be average of the two unit, that is 0.5 per unit. Now if the CT polarity of red phase in 132 kV side of the transformer is reversed, here P1 is connected towards the transformer side and P2 is connected towards the 132 kV bus side. Due to in normal condition, the current will flow from P2 to P1 in this case. Therefore, the current will flow from the secondary side S1 to S2 instead of S2 to S1. Therefore, the current will flow in the relay side C23 to C24 and back to the S1 terminal as shown in this diagram. Now in the LV side, it will remain as earlier, that is current will flow from P2 to P1, and in the secondary side current will flow from the S1 to S2 and towards in the relay C17 to C18. So you can see the direction of the current is same in the relay for HV and HV side, LV and HV side. Hence, since ID is the vector sum of the current, here ID will be sum of the two current, that is 1 per unit if for 50% full load current, and I bias will be average of the two current, that is 0.5 per unit. Hence relay will send a trip signal on normal load condition, that is malоperation will be done due to CT polarity reverse in red phase of the power transformer. The characteristics of the differential relay has been shown in this diagram. The setting of the differential relay, initial setting is 0.2, then initial slope is 30%, and the boundary of the initial slope is 4 per unit, and then the second slope is 50%, and the percentage impedance is set as 12.5%. that is why the high set of the differential relay is 8 per unit. This is the characteristics based on the relay setting of the differential relay. Now from the triangle OAB, we can determine the value of A, that is boundary of the initial setting for 0.2 of the differential relay. Slope is 30%, and the same slope meet the origin O. Then we can get AB by OA equal to 0.3, that is we can get OA equal to 0.2 by 0.3, that is equal to 0.67. that is from the region 0 to 0.67 for bias current, the differential current must be greater than 0.2 per unit for relay to send a trip signal. Now in the HV side, all the CTs are polarity is being reversed, and CT star point is made towards the bus side instead of the protective object, that is the transformer side. Here all the S2 terminal of red, yellow and blue phase is taken to the terminal number C24, C26 and C28 of the relay, and C23 and C25 and C27 are sorted together to form the neutral of the series and taken back to the all S1 terminal of the red, yellow and blue phase for formation of star point of the CT. Here star point is towards the bus side. Now we can see what are the impact of the CT star points towards the bus side instead of transformer side. The characteristics diagram for differential relay has been shown as per setting. Initial setting is 0.2 up to the boundary of I bias is 0.67. That is, when I bias is less than 0.67, the differential current must be greater than 0.2 to relay to send a trip signal. Now at 10% full load current, I1 comes to as 0.1 per unit, and I2 the secondary value of the or LV side value of the percentage in per unit quantity, which is comes to 0.1 per unit. Since in the HV side the CT polarity of all the CTs is reversed, then for red, yellow and blue phase the I difference currents comes to as additive in nature, that is I1 plus I2, which is vector sum of the current I1 and I2 comes to 0.2 per unit, and I bias current is the average of the two current, that is comes to 0.1 per unit. Here I bias is within the region 0.67, that is less than 0.67. Hence the load current is slightly greater than 10% of full load current. The relay will send a trip signal. So relay will lead a maloperation of the differential relay.